Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share an in-depth review of a game-changing tool for e-commerce entrepreneurs, HubCart. If you want to streamline your operations, enhance productivity, and boost your sales, you need to check this out. Let's dive right in. Wow, this is a game changer. The old hard way of doing e-commerce is gone for good. HubCart is an e-commerce cash machine. The new way: instantly generate custom designs for print-on-demand products, automate product fulfillment processes, access a library of over 60,000 pre-made starter products, seamlessly integrate with top platforms like TikTok Shop, Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy. Create engaging AI-generated product descriptions and ad copy. Design high-resolution, on-brand images and graphics. Automated, professional designs tailored to your brand. Built-in design tools eliminate the need for external designers. Integrated all-in-one platform, replacing the need for multiple apps. Access to reliable, vetted suppliers, integrated shipping and logistics coordination, seamless integration with new software and tools, efficient multi-channel selling and integration, automated order processing and tracking, comprehensive training and support for all features, continuous updates and improvements to keep you ahead of the competition. Unlock a whole new way of doing e-commerce with HubCart. Imagine having the ultimate cheat code to success. Whether you've struggled before or are just starting, we get it, because we've been there too. We know the pain points inside out, built by seasoned e-commerce sellers who've turned their stores into multi-million-dollar successes. HubCart is designed to transform those challenges into stepping stones. This isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. Join us and see how HubCart makes success not just possible, but within easy reach. What can HubCart do? HubCart Lite AI Designer Tool. AI e-commerce copywriter. One-click publish to e-com platforms. Automated hands-free fulfillment. Integrates with top e-com platforms. Done for you. Print on demand. Create unlimited pod products, and so much more coming. Soon, bonus upgrades and all future updates. Get in early from this page, and you'll receive 2 powerful upgrades and all future HubCart Lite updates for free, for life. Get access while the price is right. Here's what you get in this extensive package. Here is the demo video of the product.
Okay, we're calling this prompt to print. I put it in a prompt and I'm going to select 9 images for it to make 9 images. So it's making those images here. We're going to run through this really quickly. Look at this, 9 images being popped out by AI. I just asked for a French bulldog. I like this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the background because I want to put this onto a t-shirt. So I'm using our AI background remover. Send it over to our Canvas editor, which is pretty much Canva, but it's our version that plugs right into HubCart. And after I edit this design, I'm going to put some text on here, and you can choose from all the presets or create your own. But I'm going to get this design placed, and it says, "I love French kisses." And I'm going to go ahead and put a transparent background on here. Last thing I'm going to do. And then send this over to HubCart by clicking this button here. And boom, it popped open HubCart with my design all ready to roll. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in French Bulldog shirt. And I'm going to select a few settings. I'm going to put in the niche, which is French Bulldog, so I can search it later and add tags on Shopify. I'm selecting the shirt I want. I'm going to put it on the front of the shirt, select a few colors that I want. And then I'm going to go ahead and have our AI generate a product description. Introducing French Kisses crew neck sweatshirt. The unique and stylish garment is the perfect choice for those who love the little bit of luxury. All right, so now I'm going to scroll down and click on create product, and it's going to create the product. It takes a few seconds to do so, and boom, it's done. So let's check out the product. The shirt is done. It's got it on a black one, and then you see the other mock-ups down there for the other colors. Those were all created with our AI, all done for you. Product description is ready. So now let's push this over to our store. So we come over to the catalog page, click add to store. We're going to select the store that we're going to put it on. So we're going to select Shopify, put in a few other settings here. And once that's done, we go ahead and click publish to your store. And boom, it's done. Over here on our Shopify store, you see we have our mockups. We have our product description all ready to sell. Your customers are going to start buying. Okay, so I have the HubChat app open here, and you can see that it's just like ChatGPT, except we have different endpoints we could choose from. I'm going to select the plugin endpoint and choose the HubCart plugin. And I'm going to put in my prompt. I want to make a French bulldog for Christmas, and I want to put it on a shirt, and the app goes right to work. It creates me the design. Look at that dog. It's a cute little French bulldog already. but I want to make a cartoon style. So I go back and tell the app, hey, I want a cartoon style, because I didn't say initially what type of design I wanted. So once I tell it that, I'm going to have it run again. It's going to create me another image, and then we can brainstorm with this. If I didn't have any ideas, I could ask it for ideas, but I went ahead and gave it my idea. Now check that design out. Now we could go ahead and do the same thing, remove the background, publish it over to HubCart on a t-shirt, just like we did a little while ago. So you guys could see how powerful this is, and this is just the beginning.
For more information, check the description link in below.